Handpiece maintenance contributes to the proper function and longer life of the handpiece. The following is a guide to the Maxima XTend AX machine. Insert the air tube completely into the connection on the back of the unit. The air supply must be clean and oil-free. Connect the other end of the air tube into the main air supply. Insert the adapter into the full-hole connector and tighten the nut with your fingers. Place 2 liners in the oil tray and insert completely into the lower front of the unit. Press the lubricant door to open. Ensure the lever is in the unlocked position. Place the XTend spray on the stand. Check that the can nozzle is properly seated. Then move the lever into the locked position. Open the front door. Place the chuck opening against the tapered end of the chuck cleaning nozzle. Press start. The LCD display will illuminate while in use. Keep the handpiece in place until the beeping sound indicates the cleaning cycle is completed. For high speeds, push the handpiece onto the service adapter. For low-speed attachments, push the attachment onto the service adapter until it clicks and locks into place. For fixed back-end handpieces, insert into the full-hole connector and tighten the nut with your fingers. Close the front door of the maintenance machine. Select the maintenance station number or numbers on the control panel by pressing the 1, 2, or 3 buttons that correspond to the stations with handpieces attached. The indicator lights will illuminate when the station is activated for use. Press the start button. The machine is now operating. The LCD display will light up while in use. Each station will run a 45-second cycle. The machine will beep when the maintenance cycle is complete. Open the unit door. Remove the handpieces and attachments from the maintenance machine. To disconnect the attachments, press the lever on the low-speed service adapter before removing. Wipe the excess oil from the handpieces with a soft cloth or a paper towel. Place the handpieces in sterilization pouches and sterilize according to the manufacturer recommendation. Turn the power off to the machine and unplug from the wall. Wipe down all internal and external surfaces with a soft, damp cloth and place in a biohazard bin. Open the front door and remove the protective window cover. Clean by rinsing with lukewarm tap water or isopropyl alcohol. Wipe dry with a paper towel and discard in a biohazard bin. Remove the oil tray from the bottom of the machine. Then remove the liners and place them in a biohazard bin. Clean the tray by rinsing with lukewarm tap water or isopropyl alcohol. Wipe dry with a paper towel and discard in a biohazard bin. Insert 2 new liners into the tray and place back into the machine. Remove the service adapters from the connectors. Clean by rinsing with lukewarm tap water or isopropyl alcohol. Wipe dry with a paper towel and discard in a biohazard bin. Inspect the adapters to ensure that all O-rings are properly seated in their grooves. Reattach all adapters.